Hi. So this week I've been exploring the journey I'm observing organisations going on as they try to come to terms with the future of work being hybrid. And I wanted to talk for the rest of this week about 3 of the hybrid models that you could be looking at. Now there's lots of hybrid models. We say hybrid and we think it's static, like it's black and white. There's lots of variations of hybrid working, virtual working, remote working, that the organisations on the front foot are exploring with their employees and co-designing, co-creating. And every organisation is different. So it's not picking a model that someone else is using, it's picking one that's going to work for you. And it could be at will model, split week model, week by week, remote first, office occasionally, office first, remote allowed. They're all variations. So I wanted to talk today about remote first. And this is where an organisation says everybody is remote, but there will be an office space available for workers as and when they need a different type of work. Now, Dropbox, for example, has been very prescriptive about this. They adopted the remote first. Everyone's remote. But they've said, and I'll read this, they've created what they call Dropbox Studios, so office spaces. And they've said Dropbox Studios will be specifically used for collaboration and community building, and employees will not be able to use them for solo work. So basically, unless you need to collaborate and build a community and team building events, then it's remote first. You work remotely. There's pros and cons to both, as there's pros and cons to a lot of the hybrid models. You know, the remote people could feel isolated. They can't just go into the office, for the water cooler conversation. There's limited office space because it's just been built for certain types of working, like the Dropbox example. There's pros for the organisation: reduced real estate, reduced operational costs. Employees that like consistency will probably like this model because generally it's working remotely, unless organisations will probably know what amount of space they're going to need and how many people are going to be in it at any one time. I'll explore another model with you tomorrow. Bye.